Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to replace your original heater with a new factory replacement heater. Before we get started, let's go over the tools you will need. Tools you will need: Phillips head screwdriver, small flathead screwdriver, pliers, 2 hose pinching pliers, and 2 wine corks if you're not going to drain your spa, vice grips, wire cutters, silicone grease, and a crescent wrench. Step 1. Disconnect power from the spa. Step 2. Drain the spa, or you can use hose pinching pliers and wine corks to plug the heater hoses. Step 3. Remove the equipment compartment door. Step 4. Remove the IQ 2020 control box lid. Using a small flathead screwdriver, disconnect the heater wires from H1 and H2 and the green ground wire from the grounding lug. Squeeze the strain relief clamp with your vice grips and remove the heater cord from the IQ 2020 control box. Disconnect the copper bonding wire from the heater. Step 5. Unplug the REGTHERM and LIMTHERM thermistors from the motherboard. Unplug the pressure switch from the pressure switch port. Step 6. Pinch the 2 3/4 inch heater hoses with your hose pinching pliers. And loosen the 2 hose clamps with your pliers. Place a towel on the floor to catch some of the water and remove the inlet and outlet hose and quickly plug the hoses with the wine corks. Step 7. Loosen the hose clamp on the 1/4 inch bleed line hose and remove it from the heater. Pinch the hose with your vice grips. Step 8. Loosen the mounting screw and remove the heater from the spa. Step 9. Install the O-rings on your new heater. Put silicone grease on the O-rings and on the inlet and outlet barbed nipples for ease of installation. Step 10. Thread the REGTHERM and LIMTHERM thermistors into the inlet and outlet of the new heater. Get them snug with the wrench, but don't over tighten. Step 11. Install the new heater. Connect the inlet and outlet hoses and the bleed line hose. Tighten the hose clamps over the inlet, outlet, and bleed line nipples. Step 12. Plug in the REGTHERM and LIMTHERM thermistors. and plug in the pressure switch. Make sure they are perfectly lined up with the pins on the motherboard, otherwise the red power light or the blue logo light will start flashing and your SPA will be inoperable. Step 13. Connect the copper bonding wire from the IQ 2020 control box to the heater. Step 14. If you have a third generation or newer heater relay board, remove the flags from the black and white heater wires and strip about a ½ inch of the insulation away from the end. Step 15. Squeeze the strain relief clamp around the heater cord with your vice grips. Then push it up through the bottom of the control box until it snaps into place. Step 16. Connect the green ground wire to the heater grounding lug. Connect the black and white heater wires to H1 and H2 on the heater relay board. Step 17. Refill the SPA through the gray standpipe, if you drained your SPA. Step 18. Reconnect power to the SPA. Great job! Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.